In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit tags in ClickUp. If you want to keep your workspace organized and make your tasks easier to scan, updating your tags is a great place to start. In ClickUp, tags can help you sort, filter and identify work quickly, so knowing how to rename them or change their color can make a big difference in how clearly your team works. To begin, open ClickUp and go to your workspace. From there, click on your workspace name to open the main menu, then select Settings. This is where you'll find many of the administrative and customization options for your workspace, including the tools used to manage tags. Once you're in Settings, look for the Features section and click on Tag Manager. The Tag Manager is the area where ClickUp lets you view and edit the tags that are available across different spaces. If you manage several spaces, this is especially helpful because it gives you more control over how tags are labeled and displayed. Next, choose the space that contains the tag you want to edit. You'll find a list of spaces on the left-hand side. Make sure you select the correct one, since tags are managed at the space level. If you don't see the tag you're looking for right away, double-check that you've opened the right space before making any changes. After selecting the space, find the tag you want to update. To rename it, click directly on the tag name, type the new name and then press Enter on your keyboard to save the change. Try to choose a name that's clear and consistent with the way you already organize your work. That makes it easier for everyone using the workspace to understand what the tag means at a glance. If you also want to update the tag's appearance, go to the Color column and click the color circle next to that tag. This allows you to adjust the visual style of the tag, which can be useful if you want certain categories to stand out more clearly. Then, simply choose your preferred color. As soon as you click a new one, ClickUp applies it automatically, so there's no extra save button required for that change. Using distinct colors can make your workflow more intuitive, especially if you rely on tags for quick visual sorting. And that's it. You've now edited a tag in ClickUp by updating its name and changing its color. Thanks for watching.